Hi, welcome back to edquest. In our previous videos, we learned how we can install and how we can use the Kubeflow. We used and we understand the MLflow is capable to create the machine learning models artifacts, and Kubeflow is able to execute and automate the data pre-processing, model training and model evaluation and model deployment part. But MLflow can store the model versions, but we have some limitations with that. We are not able to store the artifacts of the models, so that we can pass those artifacts to the Kubeflow for the further actions. To connecting between the MLflow and Kubeflow, we are adding one more tool, which is the MinIO. So let me introduce you with the MinIO. MinIO is a high performance open source object storage system that's fully S3 compatible. MinIO is purpose built for cloud native applications and offers unmatched flexibility in deployment. Whether you are running on public or private clouds, bare metal servers, Kubernetes, or edge devices, MinIO fits right in. Like, what sets MinIO apart? The most important point is the S3 compatibility. MinIO speaks the same language as the Amazon S3. That means any tool or apps designed for S3 will work out of the box with MinIO, making it an excellent alternative for hybrid or on-premise environments. It's open source under the GNU AGPL v3 license, but for enterprises needing extra support, there's also a commercial license available. Talking about its performance, MinIO is built for speed. It handles demanding workloads like AI ML pipelines, real time analytics, and other data intensive tasks with ease. Coming to the another important point is the scalability. Designed for horizontal scaling, MinIO lets you expand your storage as your data grows seamlessly. Talking about the deployment flexibility, from Docker container to Kubernetes clusters, you can deploy MinIO in the environment that suits your infrastructure best. Now we will discuss about why MinIO is required in the scenarios of MLflow and Kubeflow. And if you are deploying these tools on your local or the bare metal machines, then the first point is the artifact storage. MLflow needs a backend to store trained models, logs, and other artifacts in cloud environment. If you are working or using the bare metal, then MinIO is the best option. MinIO provides the same API and behavior as the S3. Another advantage is like it's S3 compatible, and if you have to do the local testing, or you are building or testing machine learning pipelines locally before pushing to the cloud, MinIO mimics the S3 environment, making your workflow portable. Now come to the why MinIO for the Kubeflow. Kubeflow pipelines store intermediate data, models, and results. These typically go into an object store like S3. MinIO is the default object storage deployed along with the system. It is having a cloud native patterns. So concluding our discussion on to the MinIO, MinIO acts as a local stand-in for cloud object storage like S3, making it critical for MLflow and Kubeflow. Store and retrieve artifacts, mimic production environments, enable cloud native patterns or local infrastructures. So this was it about the MinIO. So why we introduce it? Because in our next session we are going to use MinIO with the help of Helm script, and we will try to integrate the MLflow with the Kubeflow, and we will use MinIO as a object storage. Thank you.